My name is Vindhya Reddy. I am studying in St. Philomena's group of institutions. I am from 4th grade. Now I am going to tell sky concepts. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunanthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunanthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tripura, Agartala, Telangana, Hyderabad, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata, Union Territories of India, Andaman, Nicobar, Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Puducherry, Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. 31 districts of Karnataka: Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Chikballapura, Chitradurga, Davangere, Kolar, Ramnagara, Shimoga, Tumkur, Bagalkote, Belagaum, Vijaypura, Dharwad, Gadag, Haveli, Uttar Kannada, Ballari, Bidar, Kalburgi, Koppal, Yadgiri, Chamarajnagara, Chikkamangaluru, Dakshina Kannada, Hasan, Kodagu, Mandya, Mysore, Udupi, Vijayanagara. 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Fundamental rights: rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights. Fundamental duties: to respect the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, follow ideas of the freedom struggle, protect sovereignty and integrity of the nation, defend the country and render national services when called upon, spirit of common brotherhood, preserve composite culture, preserve natural environment, develop scientific temper, safeguard public property, strive for excellence, duty for all parents, guardians to send their children to school. Preamble: We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Botanical names of fruits: mango, Magnifera indica, banana, mosa paradisica, apple, malus pumila, grapes, Victus vinifera, orange, citrus, sinensis, papaya, carica papaya, pineapple, ananas, commosus, lemon, citrus, lemon, guava, predium, gojava, watermelon, citrus, lanotus. Botanical names of fruits: mango, Magnifera indica, banana, mosa paradisica, apple, malus pumila, grapes, Victus vinifera. Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Gurjalilal Nanda, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Presidents of India: Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, Varahagiri Venkatagiri, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Sapad Danapal Chetty, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, Sail Singh, Ramaswamy Venkata Raman, Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu. Chief Ministers of Karnataka: K. Changalraya Reddy, K. Hanumantayya, Kadida Manjappa, S. Nijalingappa, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Kanti, Virendra Patil, D. Devaraj Aras, R. Gundurao, Ramakrishna Hegde, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, M. Virappa Mohili, H.D. Deve Gowda, J.H. Patil, S.M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yediyurappa, D.V. Sadananda Gowda, Jagadish Shettar, Siddaramaiah, Basavaraj Bommai. Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamirabarani, Vaigai, Yamuna. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Thank you.